Alright guys, welcome back. This is going to be a quick video unboxing of the Isochain from Dragon Door. Of course, I don't have any sharp objects with me to cut the tape. Let's go old school with the rock. I'll have another video later on showing more things about it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing so you can see. If you guys were to order this piece, this is what it would look like. So as you can see, you have the metal plate. You have the instruction manual with a set of 2 AA batteries. You have some styrofoam to keep things from getting messed up. It does have the fragile sticker on there. Make sure they take care of it when they send it to you. And it comes pretty fast, honestly. It came in less than a week. And then this is the actual unit. So you would use this for isometric exercises. I've been following No Limit Squad on YouTube. He inspired me to get it. This is something that you can use to help build strength, help prevent injuries, and just to test your strength. If you have like a party and you have some friends over, definitely a fun piece to have. And I plan to integrate this into my training, especially for warm-ups and also at the end of the training to help further push the difficulty levels. And that's it. Isochain from Dragon Door. Check him out. Go to No Limit Squad on YouTube. He has like a promo code or link you can use to purchase to help him out. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon.